After 30 days on Freecash, the biggest difference isn't usually your balance. It's that you know which offers are worth your time, and which ones to skip. By the end of this, you'll know what a typical first month looks like, what changes after you've used the platform regularly, and how to keep earning without running into common problems. During your first month, you'll probably complete a mix of surveys, mobile game offers, and partner promotions. You'll also learn that available offers change frequently. An offer that's available today may disappear next week, while new opportunities can appear without notice. By this point, you'll have a better idea of which offer providers track reliably on your device. That's valuable because choosing offers that match your device and region saves time and reduces the chances of missing rewards. You'll also become more familiar with reading offer requirements before starting. Experienced users rarely begin an offer without checking whether it's limited to new users, specific countries, or certain devices. That habit prevents many of the tracking issues new users experience. If you've requested withdrawals during your first month, you'll also understand how your preferred payout method works. Using the same verified account information each time helps make future withdrawals much smoother. After 30 days, organization becomes more important than speed. Instead of opening several offers at once, it's usually better to complete one before moving to the next. That makes it easier to keep track of milestones and know exactly where you left off. You'll also recognize that not every offer is worth completing. Some require more time than you're willing to invest, while others fit easily into your daily routine. Choosing offers based on your available time usually leads to a better overall experience. Keep saving screenshots of important milestones and completed tasks. If an offer ever fails to credit, having your own record makes it much easier to explain the situation when contacting support. One thing that shouldn't change after your first month is following the platform rules. Continue using a single account, avoid VPNs or location-changing tools when completing offers, and follow every instruction exactly as written. Those simple habits help keep your account in good standing over time. To sum it up, your first 30 days are mainly about learning which offers work best for you, following offer requirements carefully, and building consistent earning habits. Next, review your completed offers and identify the categories that gave you the best experience. Then focus on those instead of trying every new promotion that appears. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Freecash tutorials, comparisons, and troubleshooting guides.